In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quote in QuickBooks Online. To get started, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is where you'll begin creating a customer quote, which QuickBooks refers to as an estimate. Estimates are useful when you want to show a customer the expected cost of products or services before sending an invoice, and they can help keep your pricing clear and professional. Once you're signed in, look over to the left sidebar and click the plus Create button. This is the shortcut area where QuickBooks lets you create different kinds of transactions and records. Under the Customer section, choose Estimate. That will open a new estimate form where you can begin building the quote. Next, choose the customer you want to create the quote for. If the customer is already in your system, simply select them from the list. If not, you can create a new customer directly from this screen. It's a good idea to make sure the customer details are accurate before moving on, since this information will appear on the estimate. After that, enter the estimate date and the expiration date. The estimate date shows when the quote was created, while the expiration date lets the customer know how long the pricing is valid. This can be especially helpful if your rates or product costs may change over time. Now you're ready to add the products or services you want to quote. Enter each item carefully so the estimate clearly reflects what you're offering. If you use item lists in QuickBooks, selecting from those can help speed things up and keep your quotes consistent. For each product or service, enter the quantity, rate, and any tax information that applies. Be sure to check these details closely, since even small mistakes here can affect the final amount. Taking an extra moment to confirm quantities and pricing can save time later and avoid confusion with the customer. Once everything is entered, review the total amount at the bottom of the estimate. This is your chance to make sure the numbers look correct and that the quote matches what you intend to offer. When you're satisfied, click Save if you want to keep the estimate for later, or choose Review and Send if you're ready to send it to the customer right away. Reviewing before sending is always a smart final check to make sure everything looks polished and professional. Thanks for watching.